Hi, this is Gary Sandlund, come from the CME Group to talk a little bit about what's taking place over in the agricultural space as of late. And things have been relatively subdued here for the last couple of days, considering what took place here in the middle of the month with the USDA report. What we're starting to see going forward, obviously, is the return of a profitable ethanol margin. And we see these activities taking place in the corn market, with yesterday's activity in the nearby contract rallying quite a bit versus the deferred. This is the first time we've seen positive ethanol margins domestically here in quite some time, which could be a resurgence of some good corn demand. The corn demand on the export side of things remains rather bleak, as South America continues to do much more than we ever anticipated. And as they harvest their crops that are coming forward right now, I wouldn't expect the U.S. to return to the U.S. Or the export market anytime soon. But there again, that only accounts for about 14 to 15% of our overall consumption. And with the, like I said, with the ethanol increasing, we could see some of these margins and the consumption domestically increase and offset some of the losses that we're not picking up on the exports. Bean-wise, it's China. It's what does China want to do? Their crush margins right now in China are extremely profitable, and don't see them changing that pattern anytime soon. The crush margins here in the United States are very profitable. We're seeing record pace on consumption in crush here U.S.-wise, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. We're going to be ratcheting down the supply side of things, and we're going to have a very snug summer going forward into our growing season. The South American crops are massive, but a lot of that's being accounted for right away by China, obviously, with such profitability. Weather-wise, obviously, will be something that we'll monitor probably more 30 days from now as we move into the U.S. growing season once again. That will be something that obviously will dictate price movement as we go into the summer months. But after last year's drought and the lack of snow cover that we've had so far this winter, expect that we'll have a lot of volatility going forward.